Hey, this is John Williams with Panasonic. I'm the sales engineer for our product Kairos, which is our GPU-based switcher. So very different than any other switcher on the market where you have fixed limits on MEs and keyers. With Kairos, you have no fixed limits on MEs and keyers. Kairos can do up to 64 inputs and 40 aux outputs. Again, no fixed limits on MEs, so basically all of those auxes can be MEs, and you can have as many keyers and layers as you want to. A lot of other cool features about Kairos is that we can do things like HDMI output directly to an LED wall processor, send custom resolution. We can also do IPMX out of Kairos. So this is a 2110 native system with SDI and HDMI options as well. So a lot of flexibility in the system, a lot of creativity. We offer multiple sizes of these panels here as well, and you can lay up these panels. This panel in particular, you can lay up to 12 MEs on this panel. So built-in LUT calibrations that you can insert into Kairos. You can also do smart routing. You can do baseband smart routing as well as 2110 smart routing. There's a lot of great features that we have in Kairos. So it's more than just a switcher. Kairos is a screen manager. It's media content playback. It's an audio mixer. It kind of does a little bit of everything. So this one device can replace 4 or 5 different pieces of equipment within your video system just with Kairos. So if you want to check it out, you can visit our website at us.panasonic.com.